video I am showing how to connect volume control in any amplifier circuit through aux cable. You need a potentiometer and aux cable and output wires. First take the potentiometer and connect the left side 2 pins together. If you want anti-clockwise, you can short the right side 2 pins. Take the left side as a common and right side 2 wires is input and the middle 2 pins are output. Now I am connecting the wires. First we are connecting the ground pin. It is the common for output and input, and this is the right audio output and this is the left audio output. You can see. And then connecting the input wires. This is ground. Ground is connected to the common, and this is the left audio point, and this is, and remaining is, it is the right audio point. Now you can see all the circuit is complete, and let's see the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram, and now we are going to make a single channel audio amplifier circuit to volume control. First connect the ground as common. I am taking a left pin, and the middle pin is right or left output. Then take a aux cable, and this is ground, this is right and this is left. Connect the right and left wires together and connect them in the right side of your potentiometer. First we are connecting the ground wire, and right and left channel to the right side of potentiometer. Now you can see that all the circuit is completed. This 2 wires is output, and you can control volume. Please like, share and subscribe. This is the circuit diagram.
It's caught in the crossfire.